Hey, it's that Hennessy guy again. Supposedly he did more work. And now he has a do not touch. You need one of those do not touch cars. There he is.
Hey, what's up?
What's going on, bro?
See you again?
Yeah, so you mind if we hear the new exhaust, bro? Yeah, let's do it.
From the back.
Yeah, for sure. Hello, sir.
You want to get a shot from the back?
Yeah, from the back.
I wish you could hear a cold start on the thing.
It's all right.
Boy, start it up.
Nice.
Let it drop under 1,000.
Yeah.
I'll give it some rest.
You know what you're doing, right? Yeah. One second. All right, go ahead. Damn, that's nasty.
Way better than
That's way better than last time. I'll do a comparison video.
Oh yeah,
right?
you got it, yeah.
Right?
Yeah, like just no sound last year.
Yeah.
It's awesome.
No, it's great. Phenomenal.
Yeah.
How much horsepower do you think you're pulling now with the new tune?
Probably 455 to the wheels.
To the wheels?
Civil. Might be a little bit more, but
Yeah,
I'll say 455.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
What upgrades did you do with this?
Well, new wheels and tires.
Yeah.
Last year I had 245s and
Yeah.
they wouldn't hook.
Yeah.
So now I'm at 275 front, 305 rear.
Yeah.
New exhaust, so I took off the Magnaflow.
Yeah.
And TIG welded a carbon race exhaust.
Carbon race?
Yeah.
Okay.
They're from California.
Yeah.
And it sounds mean now.
Yeah.
And now it sounds like a muscle car.
Yeah.
And then, next year I might add some more boost.
Yeah.
Try and keep it under 500 wheel because
Yeah.
blow the thing, yeah.
Did you do any internals or any
Not
work?
yet.
Not yet?
Yeah, so I'm going to bring it up to about 6.5.
Yeah.
And then, down the line probably build it and then
Nice.
start adding more boost to the thing. Not yet though.
No, it's a good setup
Yeah.
now. Yeah.
I also did the paint correction, so now it's a lot cleaner.
Yeah. 100%. How many kilometers are on this thing now?
23,000.
23,000?
Yeah.
How many kilometers did you put on the motor, like when you put the supercharger on?
I think it was around 15.
15?
Yeah, so it's been running it for a bit. It's all adjusted to it now, and I also retuned it last year.
Yeah, you retuned it?
Yeah, it was shifting weirdly.
Who did the retune?
It was called Adrena Garage.
Yeah.
But it was built by Authentic Performance.
Yeah.
And it's a Diablo Sport tune. It was just shifting a little off, but now it's extended shifts and it pulls so nicely now.
Damn. Awesome. Oh, you're letting it cool down too, right?
Gotta let it cool down.
Yeah. All right, man. Thank you.
Good seeing you as always.
Are you coming tomorrow?
Probably not, but
Okay.
I'll see you next year or whenever I see you.
All right, I'll see you when I see you then. All right, thanks, bro.